Marion here. Welcome back to my channel and happy Thanksgiving! I absolutely love Thanksgiving. It's delicious, of course, and it for me is the kickoff to the Hanukkah season, so I really like it. And today I'm going to show you guys how to cook a turkey in a bag. What? I know it might sound crazy if you've never done it before, but once you have tried cooking turkey this way, you will not go back. It is so easy. I learned this from my mother-in-law who always makes her turkeys this way, and they are so tender, juicy, and delicious. So shout out to Bubby, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Okay, so let's get started. What are you going to need for this? I don't know if this is not in the frame. This is a giant turkey. I don't know if I can even lift it up. I might have to tilt the camera. Okay, believe me, there's a like 20-pound turkey right there. Then I've got celery, onion, herbs, and the most special, most important ingredient, which is your Tatchnick soup broth. If you guys have been following my channel, you know that I love to collaborate with Tatchnick because they make the most delicious kosher broth, and I especially love cooking with their broths for holidays like Thanksgiving. I'm going to be using the organic low-sodium chicken broth to help make my turkey juicy and delicious. If you are looking for glatt kosher broths from Tatchnick, you can get them on Amazon, delivered to you. Amazon.com/Tatchnick. There's a 10% off going on right now. I will put all the links and details down below. And a huge thank you to Tatchnick for helping sponsor this video. And a huge thank you to Tatchnick for helping my turkey be delicious. Yay! Alright, so let's get started. I'll put all the recipe details and measurements down below. But the first thing we're going to do is set up the bag. So I have some gloves. I just get these on Amazon for when I'm handling raw meat, like a giant turkey bird. So I'm going to be using those. This bag is by Reynolds, but other companies make it too. Two come in a box, and here is what it looks like. And you basically are going to open it up, and the most important thing, my mother-in-law told me, is that you need to put 2 tablespoons of flour into the bag. Apparently it will explode if you don't do that. That's what she said. So I'm warning you now. Don't forget to put the 2 tablespoons of flour inside the bag. Okay, so you open one side, and that's where you're going to slide the turkey in. Before I jump into that, I just want to mention, if you notice it's dark out, yes, it's nighttime. What I love to do in prepping for Thanksgiving is prep the turkey the night before in the bag, get it ready to go, and then the morning of Thanksgiving, all you have to do is pop it in the oven. That way all the kitchen cleanup, chopping, prepping, all that is done, cleaned, put away, so that Thanksgiving Day you're really just putting it in the oven, taking it out, carving it, and eating it, which makes it so much nicer if you're hosting. So once everything is in the turkey bag ready to go, you're going to use this little closure device to close it. And then the most important thing is that you cut slits at the top of the bag so that it can expand and air out and not explode and pop. Okay, so I just had on the top, and I'm going to use my kitchen scissors and cut some strips and holes at the top of the bag. Okay, it's the next day. The turkey is all cooked. It cooked for 4 hours, I believe, and I wanted to show you guys how it looks. I just let it cool down a little bit so I could like touch it, open the bag, and do all of that, and I'll carve it for you and show you the deliciousness. So this is how juicy and delicious the turkey is. I'm going to take a bite for you and show you guys. And before I bite into this deliciousness, I just want to say thank you so much to Tatchnick for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to check them out on Amazon. Their whole range of products are all delicious and Glock kosher. Turkey time! Oh my goodness, guys, that is so yummy. I can't wait to serve it to the family. All right, love you guys. See you in the next one. Happy Thanksgiving!